Good morning, everybody. As you can see, your bitch got orange hair. Your bitch got orange hair. I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet. Like, I love the color, but on me, I'm just like, I'm not used to it. I don't like the water method. I literally just put Cajun spice all over it, and then I put a bit of dark, I think it's copper brown. I put copper brown on my roots. But this hair is from the JaiRose collection. Yeah, so it's a black owned hair company. The girl is so lovely. So when she contacted me to work with her, I was like, yeah, definitely. I don't get any shedding. For 613 hair, I think that's so good, because I've had 613 hair and the shedding was awful. The lace, honey, the lace on this was A1 as well, like A1 lace. The hair is full, the bundles was full. It's really nice, like, and even her packaging, like the hair came in like cute little silk bags, so it was really nice. Okay guys, so that was just like a little review of the hair, but I'm just gonna talk a bit more about the hair, because I didn't realize that when I was recording this, my camera literally died towards the end, so the whole big hair review that I spoke about just gone. But basically, this hair is 613 hair. So the longest length I got, I think it was 24, and they're all straight bundles, so it's not body wave, it's all straight bundles. And what I did to get the colour, I didn't record it because I just thought it's kind of easy for you guys to get. It's literally just the watercolor method. I do have other videos on my channel if you guys want to see how I do the watercolor method, but literally I just put about one bottle, so it was about one bottle to each bundle, and for the frontal, so four bottles in total, and I just put the whole of the bottle in the water and dipped the bundles in. I just let it sit for maybe about like 10 minutes, not too long, and then it came out with this beautiful color. When I put the wig on my head, I realized that I wanted the roots a bit darker, so I did add the copper brown to the roots just to make it a little bit darker, to blend with like my complexion a bit more. Yeah, I love this hair. Like 613 hair, I feel like it's so hard to get perfect. Like, it's either the lace is too thick, or the hair is rubbish, or the hair is good and then the lace is just not good at all. But this was like the perfect 613 hair. It took the colour so well, and even after I dyed it, it was still nice and thick. Like, it didn't feel dry, it still felt really healthy. Like, you'll be able to see it in the video, the hair just still keeps a shine. Like, it looked good, it looked real good. I'm still kind of learning how to like install coloured units, because they're not the easiest thing if you ask me. So this time I did a like the bold cap method. I saw some other YouTubers doing it, so I thought, let me just do this. So I did the bold cap method, and it was kind of hard for me to get the cap the same colour as my skin, so that's one thing I probably need to work on. Next time I do colour, I'll try again. So yeah, I did the bold cap method, and then I'm just going in and gluing down with my Got2b as always. And then I kind of glue my wigs down in sections. So I did the front half first, and then I went and did the sides. And then this side was like, it was so easy. For once, like, I feel like this must have been great lace, because as soon as I put the glue down, it stayed. It just stayed. It didn't want to lift, it didn't do nothing. Like, it melted in so well. Oh, and the lace on the wig is transparent as well, so the frontals come with transparent lace. But yeah guys, definitely check her out, like the company, because even if you don't want to get like frontals and a bundle, she makes custom wigs as well. So she can make you a wig with this exact same hair, and boom, you got a wig and you got your hair looking on point. So yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch the rest of this video. All the links to the hair will be in the description box. If you want to know what 613 hair I recommend, it's definitely going to be this company all the time, because I had no problems with this hair. It was silky, shiny, no shedding, no tangling. And even when I slept in the hair, like, because I sleep with my wigs on, even when I slept in the hair, it looked good in the morning. All I had to do was run the straighteners through, and boom, I was good to go. So at the end, you'll probably see like a few of my Snapchat videos, just because my camera died. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about the hair or how it's holding up, feel free to message me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.